Hi, this is Koen, founder of AdPage, and today I'm going to show you how to install the AdPage WordPress plugin and how to connect your pages. So when you are in the dashboard of the user, you will simply go to Settings, and then you can see WordPress. So you can download the WordPress plugin here by clicking on the button. And when you go to your WordPress environment, simply log in there in your WordPress admin. And you go to plugins and then click on add new. And here you have the button upload plugin. I'll choose a file, just drag and drop this one here. And then I will click on install now. Then I click on activate plugin. And then the AdPage plugin is installed. Then you see here AdPage demo, because that's the agency name, will be available there. So it's also fully white label. And here you can authenticate by using the credentials of that particular user. This is user Koen123 at adpage.io, and I think I know the correct password. Yes, then it will log in, and then it will see that there is no projects available because there aren't. And when I go to projects, I will create a new one. For example, I will create a quiz, add it, give it a name. Okay, then I will simply click on publish project. Okay, now the project is published, and probably when I refresh this page, then you see the project is there. So I can define my slug here. So my own name, and then I click on connect. And now you see it's connected. So if I will put this slug here after the original domain, the root domain name, then it will load it within your WordPress environment with the same page speeds that AdPage delivers.